What's the meaning of borscht? Borscht. Borscht.
Borscht. Borscht. Borscht is a traditional Ukrainian soup that has become popular in many Eastern European countries. It is typically made with beets, onions, carrots, potatoes, cabbage, and sometimes meat or sausage. The vegetables are simmered together until tender, then the soup is seasoned with vinegar and garnished with sour cream. Borscht has a unique flavor that is both sweet and sour, and the color of the soup is deep purple from the beets. Some variations of borscht include adding beans, mushrooms, or a dollop of smoked paprika to enhance the flavor. Overall, borscht is a hearty and comforting soup that is perfect for cold winter days.